Have you ever wondered about the intricate techniques of Yin-Style Bagua and the secret behind Master He Jinbao's prowess? Well, you're not alone. Yin-Style Bagua is a martial art that has fascinated and intrigued many across the globe. It's not just a form of self-defense, but an intricate dance, a philosophy, and a way of life. Master He Jinbao, a renowned figure in the world of martial arts, has brought a unique flair to this ancient art form. His understanding and execution of Bagua's forces are truly remarkable, demonstrating a depth of knowledge that transcends the physical. An integral part of Yin-Style Bagua is the animal systems. Each one has its own specialty and emphasizes different aspects of the body. From the lion system, which emphasizes the use of the waist, to the bear system that focuses on the back, and the rooster system that highlights the concaving of the chest. Each animal system is a world in itself. So, are you ready to explore this enigma? Now let's delve deeper into the unique animal systems that form the crux of this fascinating martial art. In the world of Bagua, each animal system possesses its own unique force and emphasizes different aspects of the body. Let's delve into the lion system first. This system primarily emphasizes the use of the waist to emit force. It's not just about the martial prowess, though. The practice of the waist in the lion system benefits the major organs. It assists with the circulation of important channels, making it a holistic approach to body wellness and combat readiness. Next, we have the bear system. This system takes a different approach, focusing on the strength and flexibility of the back. The bear system brings to bear, quite literally, the power and resilience of this majestic creature. It's about developing a formidable presence and an unyielding defense. Then we come to the rooster system. The rooster system emphasizes the concaving of the chest. This might seem a little odd at first, but in the world of Bagua, it's all about the balance and harmony of forces. The rooster system teaches practitioners to use the chest as a means of controlling breathing and focusing energy, not to forget the dragon system. This system requires the use of the legs to emit force. It's about harnessing the power of the dragon, a symbol of strength and wisdom in Chinese culture. The dragon system encourages the development of strong, agile legs, capable of powerful strikes and deft maneuvers. Lastly, we look at the unicorn system. Now this is where things get interesting. The unicorn system focuses on forcing and transforming movements. It's about bending the will of the opponent to your advantage. The unicorn system teaches the practitioner to be adaptable, to transform from a defensive stance to an offensive one in the blink of an eye. These animal systems, each with their unique focus, come together to form the intricate and powerful martial art known as Yin-Style Bagua. Master He Jinbao, a renowned practitioner of Bagua, has his own unique interpretation of these animal systems. He believes in a holistic understanding of Bagua's forces, recognizing that each animal system possesses multiple forces, but one force is primary. For instance, the lion system emphasizes the use of the waist to emit force, benefiting the major organs and aiding the circulation of vital channels. The bear system, on the other hand, focuses on the strength of the back, and the rooster system underscores the concaving of the chest. Each system, in its unique way, contributes to the complete coordination and flawless execution that Bagua demands. Master Jinbao's techniques are fluid, adaptable, and responsive, adjusting according to the opponent's strength and skill level. He asserts that one should not be rigid in their practice of Bagua, but remain flexible, ready to shift and adapt as the situation demands. A notable aspect of his techniques is the use of the Qian trigram force. This involves turning the waist with the strike, expanding the dantian, or moving against emitting force. It's a subtle yet powerful technique that exemplifies the depth and complexity of Bagua. Additionally, Master Jinbao employs the snake system in his techniques, utilizing binding and encircling strength. The snake system primarily uses the arms, body, and legs, creating a coiling, sinuous movement that can be deceptive and elusive to an opponent. The bear system, under his guidance, employs the Gen force, a force that is not completely crisp but has a certain hardness. This technique showcases the balance between rigidity and flexibility, a core principle in Bagua. Master He Jinbao's techniques exemplify the adaptability and versatility of Bagua, making it a truly formidable martial art. Yin-Style Bagua is more than just a martial art. It's a testament to the human body's potential, the intricate coordination of different forces, and the art of flawless execution. This martial art, as explained by Master He Jinbao, is a dance of power, where each animal system represents a unique force and emphasizes different aspects of the body. From the lion's waist-emitted force, invading and pressuring the opponent, to the dragon's leg-driven power, each system offers its own specialty. The rooster system, which emphasizes the concaving of the chest, contrasts with the bear system's focus on the back. The unicorn system, with its focus on forcing and transforming movements, provides a different approach to the snake system, which uses binding and encircling strength. The practice of Bagua is a quest for complete coordination, the ultimate test of the human body's potential. But it's not just about physical prowess. It's about adjusting your technique to match the strength and skill level of your opponent. It's about understanding the Qian trigram force, the Gen force, and how to use them effectively. So next time when you see a Bagua practitioner in action, remember the depth and complexity that goes into every move. And who knows, perhaps you'll be inspired to embark on your own journey in the world of Yin-Style Bagua.